Dennis Lawrence, sports and regenerative medicine specialist. We're going to talk today about shoulder problems, particularly weightlifting, impingement problems, and exercises that can help with that and regenerative medicine. I have lots of different patients that I've treated over the years, including some very elite professional bodybuilders at the highest level, Mr. Olympias, football players, baseball players, professional boxers, heavyweight champions. And we have a lot of weekend warriors who've been lifting weights for a long time, including myself, and I've had shoulder problems. And they're turning now to regenerative medicine because patients don't want to have shoulder surgery, arthroscopy, shoulder replacements, and not be able to return to their sport. If you're a professional pitcher and you have a $100 million contract and you don't improve with surgery, you lose your contract. So we've had these types of patients that we've helped them with regenerative medicine stem cell therapy. The problem with the shoulder is when you're doing overhead maneuvers such as shoulder presses, the greater tuberosity comes under the subacromial arch, and oftentimes the supraspinatus tendon gets impinged. So overhead pressing maneuvers, heavy bench presses, especially inclined, are very problematic. But patients often come in here and they keep doing these exercises, so we have to talk to them about their problems and their training programs. Often heavy benches overdevelop the internal rotators, which are the pec muscles, and patients don't work on external rotation exercises enough. So there's a muscular imbalance. We can deal with that in addition to modifying their training, whether it's boxing, baseball, football, tennis, overhead racket sports, common injuries to this as well. And weightlifting is one of the biggest. So modifying their treatment and their exercises and what they're doing in the gym, very important. In addition to what we do here, regenerative medicine and stem cell therapy. And patients are now looking for alternative to surgeries, because if surgery doesn't get you better and you're worse, there goes your sports career. The advantage to stem cell therapy is even if it doesn't work, you're no worse for the wear. But the patients that improve and can go on to a sports career and get re-signed by a professional team when they've lost their contract, believe me, they're very happy people. Thank you.
Got him on the slider. Throws him on that one.
He finally throws that slider. He throws it for a strike and freezes Derek Dietrich. A good at bat for Dietrich, but it ends in a strikeout. The Reds win. They win the first two. They're looking for the sweep tomorrow.
Dina ready with the 0-2.
Wow. Goes down. Oh!